guys, what you're watching is a Lenovo gaming PC firmware update. I think the fan's about to blow off really heavy, so I cannot wait. Usually for the firmware update, it's kind of very next level. It looks very technical, so I'm very curious how looks like a Terminator code. Look at that. It's doing some BIOS update and it's doing the keyboard lightning update. And it's about to turn off. And if you turn off the PC right now, this can really crash, like big time. Start load code flow, erase write road. What is that? Found the device with PID, chip ID. This is some next level stuff. This is like some China and Foxconn factory stuff right there. System update. I hope I don't, after I boot up my PC, I hope I'm not gonna lose this file right there. That's something I'm working on. You guys gonna be seeing it very soon. But instruction waiting a few seconds. Okay, here we go. Package was successful, download and installed. Can I press next or what? It's about to die right now. And I got an update waiting, which is right here. This thing about to also, after the BIOS update, there will be a Windows update as well. So this is gonna probably gonna die out so bad. Okay, what's next? I'm waiting. What's next? System update. Updating your system still. Okay, package was successful, download and installed. So next what? Install defer update. There's no, okay, what? Okay, here it is. Downloading more. Okay, we got something going on. 72%, man. Come on, let's go. $78, $79, $81, $82. Come on, I want to hear some loud fan after the boot up. We also experienced that on Apple, Mac, mostly the gaming PC like HP Amin. Now Lenovo term. I want to hear how's their BIOS update sounds like. And this is what? This is i7 6-core. We got 6-core and GeForce RTX I got. Alright guys, here we are. Let's do this. Ready? Next. BIOS update. We got recommend update. No, I'm not getting that. What else? We got, I think the camera. Where's the camera one? Critical update, another one? Alright. Let's do this. Optional update 9. Intel, Okay, let's one more they're saying. So let's do this. One more critical update, I guess it's still not done yet. Download. The update is still will cause a system reboot, Work BIOS update 10. Okay. Damn, this is gonna be another one. Okay, what is that called? BIOS update utility setup wizard. Your computer recommended that you close all the applications before continuing. Click next to continue. Alright, next. Don't shut down. Users agreement. Can you press deny and press next? Of course not. So let's go that. I want to show you guys the fan noise. I think I got you guys right on time. Okay. Imagine if my memory just fulls up right now. That's gonna all crash. Launch BIOS update utility. Okay, another part. Download and installed. Okay. Ooh, here we are. Now is this again? Okay, next. Yo, this computer is not gonna come back on. Watch. Warning: you are about to update your system firmware. Before continuing, please save your work. Close all other applications. When the program is running, do not put the system into standby or hibernations. Do not launch other applications. Do not press power button. Open, close lid. Jeez. Dock, undock system, insert, remove USB 1394. Other device, okay. Alright, press okay. Let's see what happened. Erasing and writing. Okay, so it's erasing the last stuff. Here we are. Let's hear it. You ready, guys? That's right, let's do it. And we got an update going on. And here it is. Fan noise, fan noise. Ooh, what is that? Please do not remove the AC power adapter. Ooh, right there. You hear that? Guys, look at this. Here it is. Damn, BIOS update, boy. Inside H2FFT flash firmware tools. Jeez, that's crazy. Copyright 2000 to 2018. You're making mad money. Loading new BIOS image done. Loading EC image done. Current BIOS model FLP R5. And all this blah blah blah. And then here it is. BIOS up. Boom. Whoa. What was that? It just got silent out of nowhere. Look at that. Don't tell me, don't die on me. Okay, you're on. Now Windows update. While there's a BIOS going on, let me see what shows up. Do not crash, do not crash. Don't die out. Come on, let's go. And please, yes. Oh my god, my files are all protected. Alright, enter. Okay, password. Welcome. Boom. Okay, what happened? Am I see some speed difference? What's going on? And by the way, this is this one right there, guys. This is a beast. Look at that Lenovo Y740. What you just saw was a BIOS update 15IRAG model 81UH processor i7 9750H 2.6 gigahertz, yo. Okay, whoa, it just launched out of nowhere. What did it say? Result from this session. Okay. It's like we're getting a coronavirus over here.